Watch me, just follow every move. Touch me, let me know you want it too. Don't have what you need, but I got what you want, babe. No, we don't have to leave.
Hey everyone, thanks for hanging out on my channel and joining me for my lazy day cleaning routine video. As you can see from the start of the video, it was a foggy old day in Brisbane where I'm from, and despite wanting to jump straight back into bed, I made a quick to-do list. I smashed it out so that I could chill out and enjoy the rest of the day. Catching up on laundry was my number one priority today. With 2 kids and some rainy weather lately, it's piled up quickly and I wanted to get back on top of it before it got further out of hand. Although I could have quite easily gone straight back to bed or spent the whole day snuggled on the couch watching Netflix, you know how it is. I didn't want to feel guilty about wasting a whole day doing nothing, so I thought if I could just get a few things done in the morning, then I'd be able to chill out and relax in the afternoon.
Slowly.
So I did a few loads of laundry, vacuumed the floors, and then tackled a big job that I had been meaning to do for quite some time, and that was dusting the big shelving unit in my lounge room. I hadn't given it a deep clean for quite a while and it had accumulated quite a bit of dust. So I thought it'd be a great time to just pull everything off, give it a nice deep clean, dusting every one of the shelves, and then just reorganize it and put it all back.
The night is still young. Stay in the light. I want you to see it. Just for tonight. I want to believe. So keep on coming closer. Keep me.
There's one less thing that I'm going to have to clean and find a place for.
Feel your body. I want you to know all we need is love.
I propagated these devil's ivy cuttings from my plant a couple of weeks ago, and I've just had them sitting in some bottles of water and they have grown so quickly. I took the opportunity today to replant those cuttings into a pot and then take a few more cuttings to propagate in water and then add to the pot in a few weeks' time. This devil's ivy plant grows so quickly and it propagates so easily. Definitely recommend if you're looking for an easy, low maintenance indoor plant.
Just let me feel you blow. Oh yeah.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need right here. Make me sing along. Sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it me, dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, watch it over me, yeah. We got everything we need right here. Sharing all your deepest dreams, wonder what they really mean, yeah. In the empty bottle lies all the answers. Write down all your memories, feel the things you wanna feel, yeah. In the empty bottle lies all the answers. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me, yeah.
With the sun setting around 5:30 p.m. in winter in Brisbane, my boys and I headed out for a night walk. Someone's mad at me for interrupting their Pokemon Go hunting. A lot of people ask me how I cope with two young boys in a high-rise apartment and inner city living. We have a huge parkland right on our front doorstep, so any time of the day or night we can just pop downstairs and we have this as our playground.
Traveling from the deep forest into the sun. In war, there's never an option to run. Oh, Geronimo, tears keep on falling, the nighttime is ours. Oh, Geronimo.
I hope you enjoyed spending a lazy, laid-back cleaning day with me. I managed to get a few things done off my to-do list so I could just relax for an afternoon and chill out with my boys, exploring South Bank Parklands, going Pokemon Go hunting, and then home for a quick, easy dinner. It's nice to remember that not every day has to be a massive cleaning marathon with a huge to-do list and endless cleaning, and that some days can just be low-key, chilled and relaxed, and you can still get things done.
Traveling from the deep forest into the sun. In war.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. It's great feedback for me. It lets me know you like these kind of videos and to keep on making them. If you're new here and you haven't already, be sure to subscribe before you leave and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Once again, thank you so much for stopping by my channel and hanging out with me. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.